Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Follow these steps to deposit money into your Coinbase accounts via wire transfer. Firstly guys, of course, just like usually, log in into your accounts. After that, click on your profile icon, select assets and then go to portfolio. Choose USD or US wire transferred or your preferred currency. Tap add cash or deposit. After that, choose wire transfer as your deposit method. Coinbase will provide you with the required banking details for the transfer. After that, log in into your online banking platform, whichever you're using. Start a wire transfer transaction. Enter the details provided by Coinbase. These will include bank name, routing number, account number, beneficiary name, Coinbase Incorporated, reference/message field is going to be your unique reference code, essential to identify your deposit. After that, double check all information to ensure accuracy. And finalize the transaction and submit the wire transfer. The transfer will typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. And once it's complete, you will receive a confirmation to your email from Coinbase once the funds are credited to your accounts. And you're done. You're good to go, guys. Enjoy the video, press like and subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.